have left the building, and she's welcome back anytime. Just to give you a heads up. She can't just roll on. How's that possible? Anyway, I was talking about the Winter Olympics before, and Bob Costas has this. He had to stop covering the games because he has pink eye in both eyes, and I mean, I'm sure everyone was looking at it going, he's either very sick, something's wrong, he's definitely in trouble. It's hard to be on camera when you have eye problems. I had to do my show, I had a sty, but I covered it up. I was very clever. People hardly noticed. So, you have to be clever. So I'm going to help Bob out. I'm going to send him these so that nobody notices that anything's wrong. I'm going to send this in the mail to him right now. Great. That's the postage, and he'll get it. There have been other problems. Thank you very much. He's not going to get it. There have been other problems at the Olympics. They had trouble getting everything built in time. The water is dirty. One of the athletes had to break the door down to get out of his hotel room, and then he got stuck in the elevator. And despite the lack of preparation, the Olympics had started on time. And here are some of the
It was an exciting opening week in Sochi. In women's figure skating, Stefania Grigorieva took the gold. The men's figure skating gold medal went to Yuri Riding from the Ukraine. Since the track was incomplete, the luge event was held in dirt without snow. And the bobsled took place using a laundry basket on a staircase. And in a big surprise, the men's alpine skiing race was won by a dog.
Sochi may have the Winter Olympics, but there's an important event that's being held right here in Burbank, and I'm talking about Classic Joke Wednesday. In honor of Bob Costas, the classic joke is eye-related. We ready? Here we go. What happened to the eye doctor who got caught in this lens grinder? He made a spectacle of himself.
Phoenix, where'd everybody go? What are we going to do now?
We've never done this before.
Ellen is on.
Some cars. We're outside. We have Rosalie Raymer. She's the youngest female monster truck driver. And later in the
Fiji.
show, she is going to crush
Fiji.
cars. Hopefully no one... Did you park there, anybody? Because if that's
Fiji,
car,
come on.
you're in trouble. Get out there and get them.
Fiji,
But before we do
come.
that, it is time for a live
Good job.
commercial for California.
Good job. Ow, ow, ow. No bite. No, no. Shit, that hurt. God. Ah.